In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to send a document with DocuSign, step by step. Whether you're sending a contract, agreement, offer letter, or any other important file that needs a signature, DocuSign makes the entire process fast, secure, and professional. If you've never used it before, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to upload your document, add signature fields, and send it out for signing. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign. You can head directly to apps.docusign.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly sign up for one. But once you're logged in, you'll land on the DocuSign home dashboard where you can manage and send documents. From the dashboard, click on the Start button. This is where you begin creating a new envelope, which is what DocuSign calls the package that contains your document and recipient information. Next, click on Upload. This allows you to add the document that you want people to sign. After clicking Upload, choose Desktop if your file is saved on your computer. Browse your files, select the correct document, and confirm the upload. You'll see the file appear inside the envelope setup screen once it's successfully uploaded. Now it's time to fill in the recipient details. In the recipient section, enter the name and email address of the person who needs to sign the document. Make sure the email is correct because this is where the signing request will be sent. If you have multiple signers, you can add them here as well and set the signing order if needed. After adding the recipients, scroll down to the message section. Here, you can add a subject line and a custom message. This is what your recipient will see in their email notification. Keep it clear and professional. For example, letting them know what the document is about and when you need it signed. Once everything looks good, click on Next, Add Fields. This is where you prepare the document for signing by placing the required fields directly onto the document. On the left-hand side, you'll see different field options. To add a signature, drag and drop the signature field onto the document where you want the signer to sign. Place it in the correct location, typically at the bottom of the agreement or wherever a signature is required. Next, drag and drop the initial field if the document requires initials on certain pages or sections. Position it exactly where initials are needed. Then, drag and drop the date signed field. This ensures that the date is automatically recorded when the recipient signs the document. Place it near the signature area so everything is clearly organized. Make sure each field is assigned to the correct recipient, especially if you have multiple signers. Double-check the placement and accuracy before moving forward. Once you're satisfied with the setup, click on Send. DocuSign will immediately send an email notification to your recipient with a secure link to review and sign the document. You can track the status directly from your dashboard and see when the document has been viewed and completed. And that's it. You've successfully sent a document with DocuSign. As you can see, the process is straightforward. Upload your file, add recipients, place signature fields, and send it out securely in just a few minutes. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials that save you time and make your workflow more efficient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.